Norwegian workshop Zyrus Engineering 2 years after the announcement of its project Zyrus LP1200 Strada based on Lamborghini Huracan has released the first copy of the Supercar, which will be transferred to the client in early July. The second example of 1,200 horsepower coupe is already in the assembly stage, and the company plans to start making 2 more cars in the first months of 2023. Each copy of the hypercar will cost €799,000, and the price includes a donor car and a track day with the participation of engineers Zyrus Engineering for the owner. It is based on the rear-drive Huracan Evo RWD, but the 610 horsepower 5.2-liter atmospheric V10 engine has been significantly upgraded. 2 turbochargers, a heat-resistant Inconel exhaust manifold and a titanium exhaust allowed to double the output to 1,200 horsepower, but in street mode the power can be reduced to 900. More than 600 parts were replaced, modified and reinforced, including all-new carbon fiber body panels, Öhlins TTX suspension, carbon ceramic brake discs and custom-forged wheels. The interior features new leather-upholstered carbon seats, which can be supplemented with multi-point seat belts, while the air conditioning and multimedia system remain standard from the base Lamborghini. If necessary, it is possible to install half a safety cage. With a weight of 1,287 kilograms, the Zyrus LP1200 Strada generates 1,800 kilograms of downforce at 240 kilometers per hour. It is stated that the hypercar is certified and can be safely operated on public roads.
So, did you like this video? Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more content like this, and above all, leave us your comments and theories below. See you in the next video.